The nature of reality has perplexed philosophers and scientists for millennia. From the ancient inquiries into the essence of being to modern debates on quantum mechanics and consciousness, the quest to understand our place in the cosmos continues. Amongst the more provocative and recent contributions to this ongoing dialogue is the theory of conscious realism, championed by cognitive scientist Donald Hoffman. This framework challenges our conventional understanding of the physical world, proposing instead that consciousness is fundamental, and that our perceived reality is merely a user interface, a symbolic representation crafted by interacting conscious agents. At the heart of conscious realism lies the radical proposition that the objective world, as we perceive it, is not a collection of physical objects existing independently of observers. Rather, it posits that the bedrock of reality is composed of conscious agents, entities that interact and create experiences. These experiences, in turn, form the basis of what we interpret as the physical world. This perspective effectively inverts the traditional physicalist view, which holds that consciousness arises from the complexity of physical matter. Hoffman and his colleagues argue that this physicalist framework, while seemingly intuitive, may be a product of our evolutionary biases, favoring fitness over veridical perception. The analogy of a computer's user interface is central to understanding this concept. Just as icons on a desktop represent underlying data without resembling it, our perceptions are symbolic representations of a deeper, more complex reality. We do not perceive the true nature of reality. Instead, we interact with a simplified, functional interface that allows us to navigate and survive. This interface, shaped by evolutionary pressures, prioritizes adaptive behavior over accurate representation. Consequently, our sensory experiences, from the solidity of a table to the blueness of the sky, are merely symbols, not direct reflections of an objective physical world. This theoretical framework carries significant implications for our understanding of consciousness and the mind-body problem. If consciousness is fundamental, then the age-old question of how subjective experience arises from objective matter becomes moot. Instead, the focus shifts to understanding the dynamics of interacting conscious agents and how they construct their shared experiences. Furthermore, conscious realism challenges the notion that scientific inquiry is uncovering the true nature of reality. If our perceptions are merely a user interface, then our scientific models, however accurate they may seem, are still operating within the confines of this interface. Moreover, the theory necessitates a reevaluation of evolutionary theory. If evolution prioritizes fitness over truth, then our perceptions may be optimized for survival, not for accurate representation of reality. This realization calls into question the extent to which our current scientific understanding reflects the true nature of the universe. In conclusion, conscious realism offers a radical and compelling alternative to traditional views of reality. By positing consciousness as fundamental and our perceptions as a user interface, it challenges us to reconsider the nature of our existence and the limits of our understanding. While the theory remains a subject of ongoing debate and research, it serves as a powerful reminder that our perception of reality may be far more subjective and symbolic than we typically assume, inviting us to explore the depths of consciousness and the mysteries of existence with renewed curiosity.